So let's see, 2.5 meters to the left, right?
You want a calculator?
Do I need one to solve this? Okay. Yeah, go ahead and grab it out the backpack.
Yo. Wow! Was that cheating I saw?
No, sir.
Was that cheating? I looked away for a few seconds.
Origin of this video. Y'all know that I like classic games, right? I collect classic games. That's just what I like. It's my style, bro. I bought a copy of Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader for the PlayStation 2 at my local game shop, right? I thought it would be a funny stream. I still think it'd be a funny stream, and I know you've been seeing me streaming a lot more. Twitch.tv/Berleezy. You see the Easy TV channel. Yeah. It's lit over there. I put my plans to stream it in the group chat that I have with some bros, you know what I'm saying? And this man, Jack, responds challenging me, talking about,
are you smarter than me?
Bro, why does it always have to do this, bro? Like, why does it always have to go there with this man, bro? I'm like, I mean, maybe, I don't know, Jack. It's been a while since I've been in high school. He's like,
I got a great idea. I'm gonna come over, we're gonna quiz you.
Bro, I didn't even give you an answer yet. So that's what this video is. Are you smarter than a high schooler IRL? Fifth grade is much different than high school, bro. Like, I'm not gonna you're gonna see how it goes, bro. Shout out my boy Jack, bro. Yo, this man's very close to 100,000 subscribers too. If y'all can just help my boy out for Christmas, subscribe to his channel. It's down in the description below, bro. But first, what's good, y'all? Before this video starts, we gotta shout out today's sponsor. Thank you so much to Life is Strange True Colors for sponsoring today's video. Life is Strange True Colors takes place in the brand new setting of Haven Springs and tells the story of Alex Chen and a new cast of characters. This entry in the series leaves the episodic format behind, although for those who love to sit with the shocking cliffhanger before carrying on, the gripping story plays out across 5 chapters. The game is currently out now on Xbox Series X, Series S, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, PC, and GeForce Now. And it's actually coming out on Nintendo Switch on December 7th of this year. Now, the Nintendo Switch version of Life is Strange True Colors is actually only available digitally on December 7th, but next year, January 25th, 2022, you will be able to get a physical copy as well. What's cool about True Colors is there's now a feature called Crowd Choice for the first time ever, which enables Twitch audiences to help streamers make all the difficult decisions that Alex will face on her journey to find the truth. You can click the link down in the description to get the game for yourself and check it out, get some more details. Thank you so much to Life is Strange for sponsoring this video. Let's get back to the show.
Good morning, class. My name is Professor Picklebottom, and I will be your high school teacher for this class this year.
Nope.
Now, I know this is the first day of school and all, but I hope you did do the summer assignment.
Summer assignment? Absolutely not. 2K just dropped. You tripping, bro.
2K, you say? Very interesting. Well, no matter. Pop quiz. What is the diameter of the sun?
Phoenix Suns?
The answer I was looking for was 870,375
Tripping, bro.
miles.
25. What? How do you know that?
It was on the pop quiz, sir, that I gave you over the summer, you know, all the stuff to do, you know, the essays. That you are a senior in high school, Mr. Edmond. Do you know how hard it is when you get to college? Hundreds of essays.
I'm gonna be famous. I ain't going to college.
That is what they all say, Mr. Edmond.
You wanna hear my mixtape?
No, Mr. Edmond, Mr. Edmond. Let me explain my rules to you, okay, Mr. Edmond, because they are very simple and they are very few. Rule number 1. There shall be no clicking of pins in my classroom.
How you gonna grab my pen? You got
Otherwise, detention. Rule number 2, and you just broke rule number 2. No interrupting the teacher while he is talking. Or detention. Yes, Mr. Edmond?
Sir, you grabbed my pen. It's COVID time, sir. You didn't sanitize, sir.
I am vaccinated, Mr. Edmond. There's no reason to worry. Rule number 3, Mr. Edmond. There shall be no hats or hoodies in my classroom for the safety of the school. Or detention.
Come on, sir. That's overkill, sir.
It is not overkill. How am I supposed to know it's you with the hat on? Okay. That was very violent, Mr. Edmond. Very violent. Detention.
This school sucks, sir.
Mr. Edmond, please tell me what rule number 2 is. This is your first assignment of the year, and it is worth 100 points. What is rule number 2?
No interrupting the teacher, sir.
Ah, yes. Yes, my good sir. Yes.
Sir, why is that 100 points, sir?
Well,
That shit don't make no sense, sir.
0 points. You just did it again.
Oh my
One more.
God. I'm sorry, sir.
All right. Or you could go to detention. You know, the class teacher who looks after you in detention is Mrs. Picklebottom.
Oh no. Oh no, you're right. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Yeah, I know.
No, sir. No.
She is a handful.
No.
She is. Now, I will answer your question after I am finished, Mr. Edmond. Okay? I love teaching my job, okay? I am a teacher by true nature. I suck the pause. I absorb the sorrows of... I absorb the sorrows of all my little children in class. Okay? It fuels me. It enrages me. So, Mr. Edmond, now that you know my rules, now that you are acquainted to my classroom, the first thing you shall be doing in my class is a pop quiz. Are you ready?
On the first day?
It is, and don't say the first day because you're a senior now. You went through freshman, sophomore, junior, and now senior year. And this pop quiz isn't an easy one. No, it is not. This pop quiz is over everything you have learned all the way up until your senior year. And that includes AP Calculus, AP Chem 2, AP Government.
This is AP sir. I gotta let you know. I'm done, sir.
That is detention. After school, I will let Mrs. Picklebottom know. She is good at absorbing too.
Bro, she gonna pickle my bottoms.
Okay. Without further ado, let's get to the pop quiz. It's good to see you again, Mr. Edmond. Are you ready for today?
Yes, sir, Mr. Picklebottom, sir.
You can call me Jack. That's fine.
All right, sorry. Yes, sir, Jack, sir.
I want you to take a look at it. You know, I know it's been a while since you've been in high school, but you know, you're probably wondering why the heck you put the name at the top, the date, and the teacher. Well, you gotta have those 3 things. Otherwise, how am I supposed to grade it?
Bro, you think I'm really slow? That's crazy to me. I'm about to body this test, sir.
I'm glad. I'm so glad. So let's get your name down first, and then we can talk about that.
Do you know the date today, sir?
September 7th. Okay. Now, you'll probably look at the pop quiz. Just look at before the first question, there's some pre-questions. Kind of like a pre-lab.
Okay.
So, go ahead. Read the first one.
How many questions do you think you'll get right? This is high school level.
Yeah, circle and answer.
If this is high school level, come on, Jack. Come on, bro. Do you want to bet? You really wrote this out, huh? Sir, your paper is quite wrinkly, sir. Do you want to bet? Absolutely not. Are you sure? I'll take a bet, bro. I'll take a bet.
Well, so you do want to bet?
Yeah.
So then you gotta erase the no and put the yes. Now, are you sure you want to bet?
Absolutely not. Let me go ahead and erase the yes, actually. You had bets ready?
I do.
Yuck, bro.
Okay, well, with that out of the way, it seems like you're not confident in your 10, and you learned this in psychology, actually. If you would have been so confident in your 10, then you would bet. So, what's up with this, Mr. Berlin? Do you have something going on in your brain?
I think you're a little too confident for me to bet.
Interesting.
It's like when you go to the casino and they bring you drinks and water and food.
Yeah. Well, let's get focused on this, okay? First question, super easy question. Go ahead, read it out.
How many meters are in 2.5 times 10 to the 5th? What the hell is an NM, sir?
I'll give you a hint. Nanometers. That's the only hint I'm gonna give you. It's really easy. Go ahead, try your best.
So So in relation to 0.5, because that's a reduced whole number.
Interesting.
So with the nanometer, it's essentially a reduction of the reduced whole number.
Okay. Now, I'm gonna give you this hint that's gonna help you, but if I give you this hint...
Sir, no phones allowed in class, sir. I saw that.
I'm sorry. Someone called me. That's not important. You're the one taking the
Was it
here.
Mrs. Picklebottom? Because if not, I'm gonna tell her in detention, sir.
Whoa.
I'm a snitch, sir.
Let's not do all that. Anyway, Let's get back to the question, okay? There are 1 billion nanometers in 1 meter. That helps a whole lot. That basically gives you the answer, okay? But you have to put your answer, show your work using dimensional analysis. Otherwise, I can't give you any points. I'm sorry.
Sir, you should change your name to Mr. Pricklebottom, sir, because this don't make no sense, and you knew it didn't. So it's no problem. I'll show my work. Let me make sure the TA is recording my work. All right, cool. So let's see. 2.5 meters to the left, right?
Do you want a calculator?
Do I need one to solve this?
Yes. Unless I'll get you one. I got one in my backpack.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead and grab it out the backpack.
Yeah. I mean, you don't need a calculator at all. I would love to see what goes through your brain. Wow! Was that cheating I saw?
No, sir.
Was that cheating? I looked away for a few seconds.
No, sir.
Really?
No, sir.
Please. No.
Why would I cheat, sir?
All right, so I'm gonna need you. Here's your calculator.
Yes.
I was trying to be so nice. I'm gonna need you to go to Google Chrome and open your search history.
Sir, I've been watching some smut, sir.
Oh yeah.
I've been watching some smut, sir. Right here,
what is
sir.
That?
Sir.
What is that? A little bit of cheating, I see.
It wasn't cheating.
You get one chance. You know, in my classroom, I have the deal of you can cheat if you can get away with it. But right there, you cannot.
Fair enough, sir.
So first of all, you gotta learn how to turn the calculator on. Right?
Oh, I know how to turn it on, sir.
All right.
You hold the second button.
Oh yeah?
You hold the on button.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
2.5 times 10 to the 5th power in n.
What?
M. Hold on. 2.5 times.
I'm gonna need an answer from you, Mr. Berlin.
10 to the 5th equals 250,000. Okay. So that's 10 to the 5th. 10 to the 5th in nanometers. So I imagine if there are. Sir, can I get that hint one more time? There's one.
Oh, I'm sorry, but I only give one hint and one hint only.
I think you said there's 1 billion nanos in the nanometer. So the answer to this question, 1/4.
1/4. 1/4 what?
In nanometers.
So that's your circle your final answer. Okay, so move to the calculator. So I'm coming to examine this, right? So my question to you is, Mr. Edmund.
Yes, sir.
I asked you for meters and you gave your answer in nanometers. So
you're right, sir.
Whoa, there's no erasing.
I was just circling my mistake.
Oh.
It was an oversight. Okay. So this question shouldn't really be mattered. It should be a warm up. It should be a warm up.
It is a warm up. It's very easy. Now, you didn't do dimensional analysis either, right? So what you're missing here is that there's 1 billion nanometers in 1 meter. There's not 1 billion nano in a meter. That doesn't make any sense. That's fine though. That's fine. Maybe your brain is just not warmed up yet.
1 billion meters in a nanometer?
No.
1 billion nanometers in a meter.
Yeah, because look. In a meter, right?
1/4 meters. I was close then. It's 1/4 meters. That's the right answer.
You said nanometers?
Oh my God!
But hold on.
Oh.
You didn't give the dimensional analysis. So
what do you mean, sir?
I'll show you. It's how you show your work. So in chemistry, and by the way, this is sophomore chemistry. So basically, this is your sophomore year that you just missed. Okay, so we call this scientific notation. You have to leave it in that. So we have 2.5 times 10 to the 5th nanometers, okay? And you have to label everything. Otherwise, 2.5 times 10 to the what? Pickles? No. All right, now you have to draw the X, put nanometers on bottom.
What is this in the middle of this sword you just drew? This Soul Calibur bullshit, bro.
You'll see.
Game of Thrones ass homework, bro.
You will see. So you have to put the 1 on what's bigger. So what's bigger, meters, nanometers? Well, you know meters are bigger,
this
right?
Lord of the Rings ass.
There's 10 to the 9th, right? And then that equals. Now you're gonna multiply this by 1 and divide by 10 to the 9th.
Dude, bringing Jesus into the equation,
well, hold on. Here, now give me the calculator. All right.
This is chemistry, bro.
2.5 times 10.
I'm saying Sunday service, bro.
To the 5th. All right.
Dude drew a cross in the middle of the problem. That's not cheating, though, right? Calling on the Lord? Okay.
So the answer you should have got was 2.5 times 10 to the negative 4th.
Where did you get a 4 at in here?
Meters. I did this. So I did this divided by this. And you can just realize that it's in powers. It's in powers, right?
Yeah.
So you have 5 up to the power of 5 here and to the power of 9 here. So this is basically saying like -9 and then you add these. So you get -4. So it's just 2.5 times 10 to the negative 4th. Very easy question. Now, this is the question I think you will actually get right. It's number 2. Okay?
Yeah.
It's no math. You got this. As your teacher, I have full faith in you. I prepared you for this moment. I've taught you this.
All right. How many significant digits are in 251? This is, okay, so we're talking money. We're talking money. You know I got this one right, bro.
Where's the money sign?
You forgot it, sir. Come on, bro.
Interesting. Okay.
Okay, how many significant digits are in $251?
Very easy.
I mean, do we really care about a dollar bill?
The question cares.
I think the answer it would be 250, sir. We can keep the dollar for maybe a Reese's, maybe like a Reese's Pieces cup if you really needed one.
Okay. Interesting.
You said no water, but what about snacks? Because I can go.
So what was rule number 2 again, Mr. Redmond? All right, let's get back to work. Significant digits. I don't know, maybe in a different language that means money, but not to me. Okay, we're in chemistry language. Okay, there is 1, 2, 3, and then there's a decimal here, which means you have to count the last 2. 4, 5. Your answer is 5.
That is some sir.
Come on. All right, now we get into something that is actually a little bit difficult. Not really. Okay?
Yep.
I bet you got it, so read it out loud.
How many molecules of hydrogen are there in 25 grams of H2? How many molecules of hydrogen are there in 25 grams of H2O?
Do you want me to give you a hint?
I just want to say for the record, I knew number 2 was 5. I knew number 2 was.
No, you didn't. You were gonna put 3 or 5.
No, I was gonna put 5, but I thought you were gonna switch it and make the decimal and also a digit. So I was like, man, I don't feel like being wrong, so I'm gonna just be wrong fully. How many molecules of hydrogen? So let's talk about molecules for a second.
You want me to give you a hint? Because I can't give you a hint.
Absolutely.
Okay, here. I'm gonna write it down for you. So in 1 mole. Okay, that's gonna be equal to 6.0.
A single molecule is a mole?
23rd. So 1 mole equals 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. By the way, you have to remember that, and I know you forgot it, so that's fine.
You have to memorize that?
Yeah, I know. I just literally did it off the top of my head. I hope you memorize all the other ones too.
Sir, we need to go outside,
the speed of light, Planck's constant, Coulomb's law. None of those ring a bell? Not Plankton, you know, from SpongeBob, but Planck's.
Say those names again.
We have Coulomb's law, Planck's constant, speed of light. None of those?
Nope.
All right, well, I gave you the biggest hint for number 3. So
Kratos.
No, I'm pretty sure that's God of War. Just try your best.
Biology. I understand molecules.
Okay, great. So it should be easy.
So if there's... Hold on now. So all I have to do for this equation... Hold on, you didn't give me the equation for H2O.
You gotta figure that out. You should know that.
How? Well, I don't know that, sir. I didn't take chemistry, sir.
What's the mole? Yeah, you did.
I did not take chemistry,
yes, you
sir.
Did. You had to. What's the molar mass of H2O?
The molar mass of H2O is...
It's 18. It's 18.
Okay.
All right, that's a big hint. I've literally given you this whole question.
Okay, got you, sir. So if there's 18 molecules in H2O, you would just have to do 18 here. And then hold on. You gotta reverse it though. You gotta reverse it though. Yeah, you gotta reverse it though.
It's kind of like Sonic, right? You go up the ramp and back down the ramp, same place where you were.
Bro, Sonic does not go back, bro. He's all steam ahead.
Interesting.
He's all steam ahead, bro. I'll write you a question on Sonic lore and see how well you do. Hold on, you trying to mess me up here? What the heck is this?
6.022 times 10 to the 23rd.
6.022 times 10 to the 23rd.
Yes.
Okay. So if that's the case, you have to then do 18 here, right? Multiply that by 18.
Right.
Then you do, is it 022, sir?
Well, you're supposed to know it, Mr. Edmond.
So then you put that in parentheses, do 18 there, times 18 here.
Oh, interesting. Okay. And that's your final answer?
No, sir. I'm not finished, sir.
Okay.
Because you have to solve it.
Right. Yeah.
Or no, because earlier when you made the Jesus cross, you just left it in that answer. So hallelujah.
Okay, that's your answer.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, I hate to tell you, but number 1. So, I hate to tell you, but number 1, wrong. Number 2, wrong. Number 3, wrong. Wrong. So incredibly wrong. Now, I'm gonna do this, okay? Now, you left me no room. Thank you so much. Yes, Mr. Edmond.
Sir, I want you to know, after today's session, because I've never had a teacher disrespect me the way that you have today.
You disrespected me. You're supposed to.
Good luck finding a new job, bro.
Interesting. So we have 25 grams.
I hope your
H2O.
new job care about molecules, because this shit's a wrap.
25 grams of H2O. Okay, over. Well, what is the molar mass?
Here he go, bro.
It's
Praising
18,
the Lord again, bro.
you know?
That's crazy.
Grams of H2O. Okay. Now, we only want the hydrogen. I don't know if you saw that, but I only asked for hydrogen. So what is the molar mass of hydrogen in this compound? Well, it's going to be 2 because H is just 1 and we have 2H, right? So 2 grams.
Sir, I love the Lord too, but you're not really explaining
now,
that, sir.
Now I am. Now.
Hold on. I don't know about that pagan you just drew.
Hold on. Now we have to get the grams to moles, right?
Uh-huh.
So we know we have In 1 gram of hydrogen, and then finally we're the moles, right? So in moles and in molecules, right? There's 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules in 1 mole. And there's your answer. You multiply, divide. Wasn't that so easy? It's on the corner, a little small.
That's
train tracks.
That's the right answer.
Yeah.
That right there. That scribble, that's the right answer.
Yep. All right, you're getting closer. I feel it. You're starting to learn again. You're starting to remember. Now I'm gonna hit you with another easy question. Number 4, you got this. This is writing. This is you.
What is the name of the following compound? Snow cone.
So.
Hold on. I'm just joking. Okay. So this would be.
I'll give you the biggest hint.
Okay.
SN is 10.
10?
Like TIN, the element 10.
So this is 10 plus carbon.
Okay.
Plus oxygen.
Okay. But what about the 3?
There's 3 oxygen elements here.
Okay. Is that your final answer?
But you're saying that there's a combined name for all these.
Yes. You have to name it. I mean, that could be a name. You could be right.
10 carbon and 3 oxygens is.
If you didn't know this, gold is actually an element on the periodic table.
Oh, then let me change it real quick. Let me get one redo.
Right,
let me get one redo.
Are you sure? Because I'll give you one redo on every question. How about that?
It's too late because I would have for sure got number 2 right. Number 2 right, bro.
Okay. So I don't know if you remember this, but gold is Ag. Remember that?
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
And the charge of gold?
The charge of gold.
I'm pretty sure it's a transition metal, but I can't remember off the top of my head.
The name of the following compound is. This is just gonna be my final answer, bro. This is as close as I'm gonna get.
You were very close. You were. Now, the problem you're forgetting here is you didn't remember the 26 polyatomic ions you had to know off the top of your head.
Are you gonna tell me them? Do you know them, sir?
I do, actually.
All 26,
All 26. Now, if you didn't know that, this CO3 is actually a polyatomic ion. It's carbonate. So the answer is 10 carbonate. You were close. You had 10.
Then don't scratch 4 out. Just leave it how it is.
1/3. 1/3 of the point. You know what's so stupid off script? Let me worry about this. I just took the chem test, right?
Yeah.
I got a 90, all right?
Okay.
I was looking through it. I'm like, just know I got a 90. I got all these questions right. I'm looking at it. She gave me like 6 points off on this fill in the blank question. I'm looking at it. I'm like, I had the right answer. What is she talking about?
Yeah.
Now, I don't have a chem teacher, of course, because there's a substitute. Or the chem teacher quit 4 days before school started.
Wow.
So we just have the substitute who doesn't actually know how to do any chemistry.
Yikes.
And so all she does is look at like the little key and the mark, right?
Yeah.
And I was like, hey, this is the right answer. She's like, no, it's not. I was like, look on the key. She's like, oh, it is the right answer. But you did your math wrong. You just got this answer by luck. The number was 68.2865, and I got it all the digits. Wow, I must have some amazing luck. And then I explained to her, I was like, no, literally on the video that we were supposed to watch, this is how you do it. She's like, well, no, look on the key here. You do it like this. And all they did was just do, okay, well, it's really stupid, but to explain it simply, they solved for the thing you didn't need and then subtracted it to get the right answer.
And you skipped that step.
Like, I just solved, like, so let's say you have four pieces of pie. Okay. And you need to find, like, and like 3/4 of it is cobbler and 1/4 is peach. Okay. Well, how much peach cobbler is there? 1/4.
Right.
Okay. But how she did it is she took, there's 3/4 of peach cobbler. Mm-hmm. So let me subtract that by the 1/4 I have and get 1/4.
Got it.
Anyway, they just did the work one. She gave me all 6 points off. She's not giving me points. I was like, oh, I wouldn't.
Does she not like you?
I guess not. Wait, so you get 1/3 points. 1/3. That's better than I thought you would do. Now, number 5, man. We're into history. You got this. $1776. How confident?
No. That's Declaration of Independence. That's Declaration of Independence. Hold on.
Read the question out loud for everyone.
When was the Constitution ratified?
It's in the 1700s.
Is it really?
Yes.
I had it right.
Maybe you did. Maybe you didn't.
No, 1776 was the year. Was that a war or was that the freaking Declaration? I don't know any other 76 dates. I'm just writing it down, bro. F it.
I'll give you a hint, and because I'll give you one more try, okay? It's between 1780 and 17. It's between 1780 and 1790. So you were wrong, but I'll give you one more try. It's between 1780 and 1790. 1784. It was 1786.
Are you kidding?
No, the Constitution was ratified in 1786 because there was Declaration of Independence, right? And then the first governmental system was the Article of Confederation. Okay, but then that didn't work because it gave the states too much power, so the federal government had no rule, right? So then they all came together in after Shays' Rebellion, and they came up with the Constitution. 1786. So you're wrong. Next question. Oh yes, now we get into math.
Find the limit as x minus...
As x approaches. It's supposed to be an error. Sorry. As x approaches 0.
Find the limit as x approaches 0. The square root of x plus 1 minus 1 over x. Okay, all right, hold on. Let me make sure. They can, okay.
Yeah, you're good to go.
So we gotta plug x in first. Find the limit as x. So approaches means it's 0 or this whole thing is x. That's the value of x.
So that's an equation. You can graph the equation, okay? And on the graph, when the equation, what is the limit as x goes to 0? So as x on the graph is approaching 0, what is the number? Is that supposed to be me, Mr. Pickleball?
That's supposed to be me.
Is that your answer?
Bonus points? Please, sir. I'll take a 4th, sir.
You know,
that question is too much.
I don't like disrespect in my classroom, but I will...
Wait a minute, sir. How is that disrespectful? You had to multiply another equation, sir?
I'll show you in a second. So...
What am I looking at?
Okay, so... To find this, you have to plug in 0 to the equation and see what you get. Well, if you plug in 0...
That's what I asked you, sir. I asked you that, sir.
I specifically said it in a different way, okay?
You a troll, Mr. Pickleball.
But hold on.
You a troll, sir.
But well, I like to suck on the sorrows of your failures, okay? If you put 0 on the bottom, it becomes D&E because you can't have something over 0. Otherwise, it doesn't exist. It's an error, okay? But if it's 0 over something, you can. Well, so you have to get rid of the square root. So how do you do that? Well, you times by the reciprocal, right? So x plus 1 plus 1, right? And so when you do that, you know, you remember how to FOIL, right? You multiply this by that by that, that by this, that by that, right?
Uh-huh.
All that, but you should be able to do that in your head by now since you're super smart, okay? So you're going to get x plus 1 minus 1. Okay, and then to multiply these, you're gonna get over x, square root x plus 1 plus 1. Okay? These go away because 1 minus 1 is 0, and you get x over x, square root x plus 1 plus 1.
That's the final answer, sir?
And then,
fuck,
the x's cancel out. You're left with 1 over... So hard to write sideways. X plus 1 plus 1. Then you plug in 0. What do you get? 0 plus 1 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Equals 1/2. You were kind of close. But it was wrong. And there was no creativity. So no bonus points. Mr. Edmond, what is your question?
Mr. Picklebottom, sir.
Maybe if you would have drew a picture of me, I would have given you some extra credit points.
I just want to know one thing, sir.
Huh?
How does any of this help us get to the bag? You know what I mean? Like, why do we have to learn this, sir?
Well,
We not getting no bread off this, sir.
this actually comes into into help when you get into engineering, right? Because you know the people who make our cars, the people who make our amputated arms, everything that the bridges, everything, right?
Yeah.
They use this, so it's needed.
Do you think they use this too sometimes?
What? You? They might, put you on the side and watch your videos while they're doing it. You never know.
Ah.
All right, now I'm not gonna lie to you. If you want to skip these 2 questions, you're totally allowed to.
Oh, I got 2 skips?
You can look at them.
One type of sunburn occurs on exposure to UV light of wavelength in the vicinity of 325 nanometers. What is the energy of a photon with this? Yep, absolutely skipping that. What is the energy of this radiation in kJ mole? That's the same connected question. So for creativity.
By the way, that's the first unit in AP Physics.
That's ridiculous.
It's a fourth
bro.
of it. It's a fourth of the unit, not even the full unit. Interesting. Who is that supposed to be?
That's you. And what I did artistically and creatively was gave you really nice biceps and calves.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay. You've come so far, and we finally get to a question that you should 100% know, because
That's
I
sir.
know damn well you learned this in a college. There's no way that you didn't major in English and not go over this.
That should be the fault of my college then.
You probably
It shouldn't
forgot
be
this.
me. It shouldn't be me.
So, this is because I'm in your freshman year of college, right? That's what I'm actually doing.
Right now?
Yeah. So, go for it.
Oh, you're talking about the next question.
Yeah, number 9.
Oh,
Number
okay.
9.
Okay. Well, no, hold on. Before we get there, what about my bonus points here?
I'll give you 1/3. I'll give you 1/3. So you're at 2/3 now. 2/3. You're almost there to a full point.
Let's go. All right. Question number 9. Why is Beowulf important, and what is the difference between Old English and the modern English language? Beowulf is important because it introduced it was the first modern English language writing.
You sure about that?
Beowulf, I got you.
I'm not gonna lie to you. I think that's actually the answer.
Hold on, I got 2 answers then.
But you have to answer the second question in order to get this right. Do you actually know the Beowulf epic poem?
No, I definitely remember reading it, but I don't remember anything about it.
All right. Now, what is the difference between Old English and New English, modern English?
Old English is damn near illegible.
That's very true.
While modern English is
But what's the reason for that? Why is it so ineligible, and why is modern English so eligible?
because there was a Renaissance period
Okay.
where the language from English transferred from Europe, from England,
From a country in Europe.
from a country in
Which
Europe,
country?
from France,
You're trying.
from Europe to the Americas.
Interesting. So English is not actually didn't change like in America. I mean, we have our slangs, but the difference between Old English and Modern English is that Old English has Germanic roots, and Modern English is based off Latin and French.
That's what I said though. So
I tried to give it to you.
Germany.
No.
And what did you just say, sir? France.
And Latin, of course. That's like the most important one.
And Latin.
Interesting. I will give you here 1/6 of a point. So you need to get this question right. Number 10. It's for every. In fact, I'll give you 9 points.
Okay.
If you can get the last question right. Go ahead, read it out to everybody.
What video on my channel has the most views?
On mine.
On your channel, Mr. Picklebottom. If I remember correctly,
I gotta check because it's close.
you said I get a redo. You said I get a redo for each question. You said I do, bro.
Okay. I was gonna give it to you though. Fine, go for it.
Speed runners.
You're correct.
Yes! Yes! 9 points! 9 and 2/3 actually. Plus a 6th. Let's go, yo! I passed, sir. I passed, Mr. Picklebottom, sir.
You did indeed pass.
Yes!
You passed with flying colors.
Mr. Picklebottom, sir, why did it seem like you didn't want me to pass, sir? I saw a little bit of like animosity in your eyes, sir.
It's because there's no sorrow that I can attain from this.
This whole thing, pure embarrassment for me. You can absorb those tears.
It's fine. It's fine. Anyone, you know, watching this video and trying to diss Berlin, I'd like to see you try number 7 and 8. If you can put number 7 and 8 in the comments and get it right. Actually, no, they're gonna look it up.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna ask. Is that a Googleable question?
No, it's not.
But they're gonna
figure it out.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter, guys. Okay, I know you damn well don't know how to do 7 and 8, unless you're a chemistry major. So, Berlin, I gotta say, I'm proud of you. I didn't think you would get a 9.666.
Thank you, sir. That's a weird number. Matter of fact,
6667.
Okay, cool,
Yeah,
cool.
yeah,
Thank you,
add the
sir.
7.
Thank you, sir. What I expected was that 10. I'll be honest. But after that first question, I knew it was downhill.
Yeah.
So I'm very proud of myself for clutching. I just clutch, you know. I appreciate the opportunity to relive my high school and early college career, but I'm glad I made it out, you know.
I'm glad you passed with flying colors. I'll give you a 96. So you passed high school. Now, if you want to do this next year when you get to college,
absolutely.
I can give you a college test.
Speaking of college, I noticed you have the LSU sweater on, bro. Are you trying to tell us something?
I'm actually not going to LSU. I'm going to TCU.
TCU.
But I do love this LSU sweatshirt.
I know you announced it on your channel. It's just, you know, the people have seen you grow up over here. So, you know.
I did.
TCU.
Some people knows like I'm 14. That doesn't make any sense. Like, when I was 14, people thought I was like 18. Like, I was looking at it yesterday, like looking at my old videos.
Yeah.
Oof. And it was bad too. I had like the camera like pointed like all the way to the top, so it was like my full desk.
Oh my gosh, we gotta show them, bro. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Bro.
That was 3 years ago.
Bro, you grew up crazy fast.
I know.
You tall as hell too. Some good genes, man.
Not taller than you.
Hey, bro.
Almost.
You got
I'm not getting there too. I'm so sad. That's it. I'm done growing.
You're what, 17, 16?
I'm 7. No, what?
You're 17.
I'm a senior.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
Bro, you're like super senior. Okay, 17.
6'2". There's no way. Maybe.
You got 5 years.
I wanted to get to 6'4" so bad. Like that's gotta be the perfect height. Like 6'4".
Yeah.
That's where it's at.
And then like, what's your shoe size? 13.
11 and a half.
Oh, you can wear everything still.
Yeah.
It sucks after 12. It's like, bro.
I don't think I'm growing any like my
stop
shoes.
Saying that, man.
I meant like my shoes, like, cause I've been at 11 for years.
Bro, you're gonna get those extra inches, man.
We'll see.
All right, you guys. Well, there you have it. My man Jack came through with a brilliant idea to make me look stupid, and he succeeded.
You got 96. That's all you gotta tell him. If you want to make a quiz on Smash, you know, I'll come in through. I'll get 100% flying color.
If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you slap a like, subscribe. If you are new, hit that bell so you always know when I'm posting more vids. Love y'all. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
For the free, I ain't talking about fries. I'm talking about the thing between my thighs. Sausage, yup. Sausage, yup. Finna get that girl that sausage, yup.